Axyz automation brings to you a complete solution to revolutionize the fabrication of insulated ductwork within the heating, ventilation and air conditioning industry. The Axyz Ductmaker is making a major contribution in this exciting development. The Axyz Ductmaker features two spindles, allowing two tools to be run consecutively, maximizing efficiency without the downtime associated with changing tools. A typical configuration associated with cutting phenolic foam is spindle 1, a profile tool used for cutting edge profiles, spindle 2, a V-groove cutter, used for cutting the material to allow easy bending. This assists and speeds up the fabrication process. Using this configuration enables manufacturers to complete all processes on one machine. This massively reduces the likelihood of damage to sheets during the manufacturing process. It also reduces cutting time, speeds up production, and increases throughput. A pressure foot, in conjunction with the extraction manifold system, ensures maximum collection of waste by directing 100% of the vacuum to the active cutting head. This ensures that new sheets can be loaded directly onto a waste-free machine bed straight after cut parts have been removed for assembly into the finished product. The machine uses a vacuum hold-down system that can be zoned to any particular section of the bed. This method of securing the material during processing facilitates maximum sheet utilization without the use of clamps that can damage the material and reduce the machining area. The standard 1.2 by 3 meter sheet size of the phenolic foam is in perfect relation to the Axyz router, so it needn't be pre-cut to fit the machine. The sheets can be grooved and cut all in one operation, resulting in consistent quality of panels that are right first time, every time. The Axyz software used to create the parts could not be simpler. It comes as standard with an extensive library of relevant parts and copes easily with complex geometry. First, one selects a part and a preview of the chosen part is displayed and all variables are listed. Simply input the sizes of the part required and the software automatically calculates the change in the part and makes the necessary compensation for the bend allowance. The user can then choose to make the part in one or in separate pieces, dependent on personal preference. Once drawn, panels can be saved and sent directly to the machine. The saved files can be used time and time again, simply brought back in and edited if required. The nesting capabilities of the software are also vital, and the orientation of the part can be manipulated to allow efficient sheet utilization, cutting down massively on waste material. The quality of the cut produced on the Axyz Ductmaker ensures fabrication of a finished part is always quick and easy. The cut edge quality produced is always very straight and accurate, and can be produced the same time and time again. The finishing of the product is also greatly improved, as when folded, the cutting-edge accuracy of the machine ensures the corners are a good, tight fit, thus eliminating the need to reseal a finished part, and also makes all parts rigid and robust. In fact, it would be possible to deliver flat-packed panels direct to site for fabrication and fitting, thus dramatically reducing transportation costs for larger projects. Weatherproofing tape can also be applied to the phenolic foam prior to cutting. Again, this dramatically reduces time during the fabrication process. The accuracy of the Axyz router ensures the surface is cut precisely and no ripping or removal of the tape occurs. A completely finished part, fully weatherproofed, is produced quickly and accurately, and very little fabrication is needed. The fabrication by hand is very different. It is both long-winded and time-consuming, and requires an element of skill. Unfortunately, producing the components manually opens the door widely for error. The cut edge obtained cutting the phenolic foam manually is very uneven, and this can cause major problems when fabricating. Each panel of a finished part has to be produced separately, then joined together, so a complete panel is no way as robust or as rigid as a part produced automatically on the Axyz router. The Axyz Ductmaker is also capable of cutting parts out of galvanized steel, this making it a very attractive solution for all your requirements. The process is simple and easy, and it is identical to the cutting of the foam other than needing to use a different cutting tool. A dual misting unit is used to cool the cutter directly at the source of the cutting, ensuring longer-lasting tool life and a better cut-edge quality. The Axyz Ductmaker can be manufactured to any length and width in order to accommodate all foam manufacturers' sheet sizes. The high speed at which Axyz tables operate, the accuracy of the cut and the cleanliness of the cut makes them perfect for all phenolic foam materials, yielding fast processing and maximum material utilization. The Axyz Ductmaker, a dedicated system to revolutionize the HVAC industry.